Hi, my name is Rose Marvillacos, a financial advisor of Whole Life Yoki, and today I'm gonna talk about cold call or cold calling na lagi kong pinapanood, lagi kong pinapakinggan sa podcast. And you know what I love about this kind of work is marketing and the training. So, tatawag ka bigla sa tao na hindi mo kilala, tapos sasabihin mo na lang, "Hi, my name is Rose Marvillacos, I am from Life I am financial advisor of Pro-Life Yuki. So, would you like to hang up this call or give me 30 seconds to speak? So, share ko lang sana yung sa Planet Pro about this and this. But you know what? When I do it, this client, this prospect said to me when I'm explaining about her the product, sabi niya, parang nag-change yung topic namin. And then, pero binabalik ko yung original. Sabi niya, I'm stronger, I'm healthy. So, kaya ko yung sarili ko. Bakit mo ba wini-wish na magkasakit ako? Bakit mo ba wini-wish yung maging unhealthy ako? Inaalagaan ko nga yung sarili ko eh. And then, sabi niya, nakaka-offend ka. And that is the first time that I do the cold calling and the first time na sinabihan ako ng client. But it didn't offend me at all. Kasi hindi ito pilitan eh. Walang commitment. And it's depend on you. While me, I was just like, in-open ko lang yung reality. Kasi we know na ang daming what if, ang daming possible na mangyari na hindi natin talaga inaasahan. Hindi natin alam kung kailan tayo magkakasakit. Hindi natin alam na kahit healthy tayo is like bukas na lang nagkasakit na tayo. Because I have that kind of, I have a relative na sobrang healthy niya and then pagkabukas, wala na. And then, parang bigla na lang nagkasakit siya or like, my own tita is healthy siya and then pagkabukas is like, she's asleep, hindi na siya magising. So, yun eh, kahit gaano tayo ka-healthy, kahit gaano tayo ka-stronger at the moment, kahit ano tayo sarili natin, like, sure na sure tayo na healthy tayo, since inaalagaan natin yung health natin. Pero kahit anong alaga natin sa health natin, may mga possible things pa rin na mangyayari, na hindi natin alam kung kailan tayo mawawala sa mundo, kung kailan tayo magkakasakit. So, the question is, sure ka ba talaga na healthy ka ba? Sure ka ba talaga na, like, stronger ka ngayon na pagkabukas is stronger ka pa rin? Sure ka na, healthy ka ngayon, bukas healthy ka pa din ba? Sure ka ba na hanggang bukas is kaya mo ma-provide yung needed if ever na magkaroon ng negative event sa buhay mo? Di ba hindi na? So, actually, yung pangyayaring yon, it really give me a lesson and then parang na-enlighten din ako. I didn't offend anyone sa sinabi ko. Hindi ko siya na-offend, but I mean, hindi ako nakaka-offend kasi sinabi ko lang kung ano yung reality. Pinaunawa ko lang. Like, I just want to help you. Yung role kasi as a financial advisor is to help you protect, to give you a protection and peace of mind. Na at the future, wala ka nang iisipin. At the future, whatever happen, meron kang emergency fund, meron kang pamana, and getting insurance also is the way saying na mahal mo yung pamilya mo. Na ito yung love letter mo para sa kanila. Kasi if ever whatever happen at the future, mawala ka man, ano man mangyari, may maiiwan kang million sa kanila. You're free. Remember, binabayaran mo peace and mind and protection. Binabayaran mo barya lang. But you will get million yung return sa'yo. Diba? So, sana nga maintindihan nyo. Kasi ako, Like, late ko na talaga siya naintindihan. Kasi dati, as in wala akong pake about this. Pero ngayon meron na. Thank you!